Okay, so one of the nice features that our Sidewinder as well as our Javelin has is the ability to change its heater temperature. Now, how to get to that is you go to the preset, click on preset, and right there at number 1 you have OPT effect. What is OPT effect? Well, that's how to change the heater core. We have 4 different standards on it. So what's the importance of being able to change the heater core temperature? Well, let's say you have a fog fluid that has a way longer hang time. That tends to be a higher viscosity fog fluid, so it's going to take more to properly burn that fog fluid. So we recommend keeping it at OPT effect number 1. Now let's say you have a very light fog fluid, one of our quick evaporating, like our flash fog. Then we'd recommend taking the OPT effect, click on enter, and you want to go down to number 4. Now it doesn't get as hot, so there is less likelihood of you getting any kind of burnt smell from overcooking the fog fluid.